So in the last video we have seen the sections, the three parts we have seen. The gland, I'm going to draw it again. It's going to be like a pyramidal shaped structure. It is going to be like this. And if you're going to go on a 3D view, it will be on the inner aspect, it will be like this. This is what I was telling about the anterior border, the posterior border, the medial border, the posterior medial surface, the anteromedial surface. This is the lateral surface or the superficial surface. Okay, this portion is the base or the superior surface. This is the apex. Fine. The facial nerve, which is actually located, in the which actually comes out through the stylomastoid foramen. The stylomastoid foramen is present between the mastoid and the styloid process. The nerve comes out of the stylomastoid foramen. It comes around just behind the auricle. It comes up and it comes and gets into the posterior medial surface. It gets into the gland, divides into two branches. The two branches divide into again three more branches. This pattern is called as pes anserinus. One of the branches goes upwards, one of the branches come in front, two branches, and this one, it comes down. Okay, this one, there is no branch here. I'll just drop it off. There is no branch here, so this I will make it as one single branch. So here, this is superficial. This is the temporal branch. This one is the temporal branch of the facial nerve. The zygomatic branch, the upper buccal branch, the lower buccal branch. This is the marginal mandibular branch. This is the cervical branch. The cervical branch comes out through the apex. The temporal branch goes upwards through the base or the superior surface. The other branches, so number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, all these branches, they come out through the anterior border. Okay, so how you're going to see it again? I've said, make it as like a 3D. This is the medial border, this is the anterior border, this is the posterior border, this is the lateral surface, this one is the lateral surface. So the nerve, which is actually coming from the stylomastoid foramen, it comes up, gets into the surface. What is this surface? Posterior medial surface. It passes through the posterior medial surface, divides into two branches, two trunks. It divides into two trunks. The trunks again divide and they come out through the anteromedial surface. Anteromedial surface. So basically it passes through the posterior medial surface, divides into two trunks and then into branches. The branches comes out through the anteromedial surface, but before it reaches the face, it leaves along the anterior border of the muscle, anterior border of the gland. Got it? So it is only basically passing through the surfaces, not through the borders. Borders are the angulations that you're going to see between the surfaces. Got it? So one more structure that you're going to see here inside the gland is the artery. The artery is, next to the vein. The external carotid artery, which is running up, gets into the gland via what surface? Posterior medial surface. It gets into the posterior medial surface. It divides into two branches. One branch is going up. How it is going up? It leaves through the base or superior surface. This is superficial temporal artery. The other artery is maxillary artery. It comes out through what surface? Anteromedial surface and not anterior border. So basically external carotid artery is passing through the posterior medial surface, divides into two terminal branches inside the gland and The superficial temporal artery comes out through the base, the maxillary artery comes out and gets into the infratemporal fossa. It gets into the infratemporal fossa through the anteromedial surface. One more structure that you're going to see it here. The third structure is the third structure that you could see here. I'll draw it simple. We have already discussed in previous classes. The third structure that you could see it here is the vein. So the superficial temporal vein and the maxillary vein join to form retromandibular vein, which again divides into anterior and posterior division, which comes out through the apex. So this is superficial temporal vein, this is maxillary vein, this is retromandibular vein, which divides into an anterior and posterior divisions. So anterior and posterior division comes out through the apex. This superficial temporal vein, the direction is getting inside through the base. Maxillary vein gets along the anteromedial surface. This retromandibular vein is actually present inside the gland. Got it? Termination of carotid artery is present inside the gland. Branching of this facial nerve is present inside the gland. This is temporofacial trunk. This is cervicofacial trunk. There are two trunks for the facial nerve. First it divides into trunk, then it divides into three equal branches. Upper trunk, the temporofacial trunk divides into the three divisions, three branches. The cervicofacial, so temporofacial or zygomatic or temporal. Okay. Thank you.